In today's video, we are going to explore the process of selective breeding, which is a method where the best plants or animals from a population are chosen and bred together in the hope that their offspring will inherit improved and even more desirable traits. This method is not a modern invention. In fact, humans have been applying selective breeding techniques for thousands of years, ever since the origins of agriculture, which is another term for farming. Over time, we have learned how to apply this process more intentionally and scientifically. Nowadays, selective breeding is used for a wide range of purposes, including the breeding of cows that produce large amounts of meat or milk, the cultivation of crops that can resist pests and diseases, and the development of companion animals like dogs and cats that are friendly and suitable as pets. It is also used to create plants that have large, vibrant, or uniquely shaped flowers for decoration and beauty. So how exactly does selective breeding work in practical terms? First, we start by examining the individuals already present in our breeding stock. For instance, if we are growing tomato plants in a field, we would begin by looking at all of them and identifying the ones that show the most favorable traits, such as producing many large, ripe tomatoes. Once we have chosen the top performers, we breed them together to produce the next generation of plants. The idea is that their offspring will carry on the desirable characteristics and ideally show even better results. However, this is not a one-time process. To truly enhance the traits we want, we have to repeat this process again and again over many generations. In each cycle, we select the best individuals from the previous generation and breed them to create an even stronger next generation. To see how dramatically things can change through selective breeding, let us consider sweet corn. If we look at a comparison between the original wild version of sweet corn, which humans first found more than 10,000 years ago, and the modern variety we use today, we can clearly see the significant transformation. The old version was smaller and less sweet, while the modern sweet corn is large, juicy, and full of flavor. This dramatic difference is the result of many generations of selective breeding, where each cycle aimed to improve traits such as size, taste, and yield. Despite its usefulness, there are some important drawbacks to selective breeding. The most serious concern is that it reduces the gene pool of a population. If you are unfamiliar with the term gene pool, it refers to the complete collection of all different genetic versions or alleles present in a population. When we do selective breeding, we are intentionally choosing only certain alleles that produce traits we want. Over time, as we keep repeating the process, we end up narrowing the gene pool because we are removing or ignoring alleles that do not match our goals. As the diversity of genetic material shrinks, we are left with fewer genetic options in future generations. Additionally, because the best individuals tend to be genetically similar, we often end up breeding individuals that are closely related. This can lead to a situation known as inbreeding, where offspring are more likely to inherit the same harmful recessive alleles from both parents. Inbreeding increases the chances of genetic disorders and makes the population more vulnerable to diseases. This is why some dog breeds, such as German Shepherds and Rottweilers, are known to suffer from a range of inherited health conditions. Their small gene pool leaves them with little genetic defense. A reduced gene pool also leads to less variation within the entire population. Let us go back to the tomato field to understand this better. Imagine that a new disease or pathogen appears and infects one tomato plant. If all the plants are genetically similar, because of selective breeding, the disease is likely to spread rapidly and destroy the whole crop. The farmer might lose everything in one season. This kind of vulnerability is one of the main risks associated with selective breeding. While it allows us to enhance and improve traits, it also makes populations more fragile and less adaptable to unexpected challenges like disease, changes in the environment, or shifts in climate. So selective breeding is a powerful tool that humans have used successfully for thousands of years, but it comes with trade-offs. To use it wisely, we must balance the benefits of improved traits with the need to maintain genetic diversity and protect long-term resilience in both plants and animals.